Hi friends, in this video we will discuss how to configure user self-service in OpenAM. User self-service having three modules. One is the registration, forgot username and forgot password. So I will show you one by one how to do configuration in OpenAM. So yeah, first of all log in into the OpenAM application. Yeah, we have multiple realms. So now I'm going to configuring user self-service in top level realm. Okay. So I will show you in the other realm also how to do configuration. Okay. So once you enter into top level realm, go to services. Okay. So before that, I will tell you one thing. Right now I'm doing logout here. See here you can see there is no any registration. There is no any option forgot username and forgot password. Okay. Once we enable, you can see that options below the login button. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going into top level realm services. Yeah, here you have to add user self-service module. Okay, type user self-service module. Yeah, here you have enter the user encryption key pair alias and sign in secret key alias. Okay, so already ForgeRock providing self-signed certificates and all. So you have to enter the same what it is displaying on the screen. The same keys alias you have to enter. Okay, self-service ENC test. Self-service ENC test. This one self-service sign test. Self-service sign test. So here we have three options: user registration, forgot password, forgot username. So now I am enabling user registration. So next we will discuss forgot username and forgot password. Okay, later. Click on the create button. See here we have options. The general configuration. In the general configuration, we have these options like a Google reCAPTCHA. So if you want to enable the reCAPTCHA, you can enable with Google. Okay. So before that, we need to register our website with Google. So in this video, I'm not going to showing Google reCAPTCHA. Okay. So here you have a security questions while user registration. So it will ask the security questions for the reset the password or forgot password or forgot username and all. So minimum answer to define. So when user doing registration, so user has to give at least one answer. Okay. And verify. When user doing forgot password or forgot username, then user has to enter at least one answer. Okay. These are the attributes. And go to user registration. Okay. Here one thing, if you want to add security questions, you can add here like enter like a fifth question. I'm entering. Okay. What is your pet name? Okay, so question mark. So select add one, click on save changes. Go to the user registration. So user registration, you have multiple options here. You can see one, I will explain one by one. So we are enabling user registration. CAPTCHA, right now CAPTCHA I'm not going to show you. So CAPTCHA you can disable it. Email verification. So once user registration done, so ForgeRock will send verification link to your registered email address. Once you open that your inbox, and then you have to verify the you have to click on the email verification link, then only your account will be active, else account will be disabled still. Okay. And so right now I'm going to disabling this one, so I will show you one by one enabling the option. And verify email before user details. So this is the option like before entering the user details like a first name last name, so it will ask the first email address. Once you enter the email, ForgeRock will send the verification link to your email address. Then we have to open that your inbox, and then we have to click on the verification link. Then only it will ask the, once it is verified, then it will ask the enter the user profile details. That is the meaning of verify email before user details. And security questions. So if you enable the security questions, the security questions will be enabled at the time of the user registration. So what are the security questions we have configured in the general configuration? Right now I'm disabling security questions. And token lifetime 300 seconds by default. Outgoing email subject. So once you will send that activation link, correct? So what is the email subject and what is the email body? So if you disable this email options, so it is useless. Okay. and valid creation attributes. These are the attributes we'll ask in the registration form. Okay. And this is the destination after successful after successful self registration. User registration after successful, then where user has to redirect. So they have multiple options. User sent to successful registration page, or user sent to login page, or user is automatically logged in. So right now I'm selecting user sent to successful registration page. Click on save changes. Okay. Right now I'm not enabled forgot password and forgot username. Okay. And we have one more option. You can click on the down arrow button. So we have profile management and we have a advanced configure. So these things are right now not required to discuss. Okay. Yeah. Now click on the else we can open the new private window. Okay. Take this URL. Yeah. Paste it here. Enter. Then here you can see new here. Create an account. Okay. In the previous screen we don't have there. Okay. So click on the create an account. Okay. Just a second. Just a second, I will show you why it is coming error. Yeah, so we are getting error, correct? So you can see here, click on the create an account. So here internal server error getting. So we can go to our debug log information. So here we have the self-service request handler, the log file is generated. So open this file. So here you can see there is an error, okay? Unable to handle read. Expected question format is ID, local, and question. So this is a format. So but got the 5 and what is 0. So we have given the secured question here wrongly. So here you can see other questions how we have. One is like there is a when ID and local and then question. So but we have given the directly ID and question. So we have to, so we given the wrong. So we can remove that one, right? 5 English. What is your pet name? Yeah. So like this. Now save changes. Okay. Yeah. Now try to refresh this one. Yeah. So go to starting page. Yeah. Now click on the create an account. See now we are able to see registration form. So now enter the username 1234. First name demo, last name 1234, email demo1234@example.com. You can give any email and password I am giving. Yeah, so we filled all the attributes. Now click on the save. See, register your account. Your account has been successfully registered. So return to login page. Now you have to enter the username and password. Okay. So we have demo1234 and admin 1234. This is the password. Once it is successful authenticated, then it will redirect to the your user profile. This is our user profile. Here we can update the user profile details and we can change the password also. So we can change the password, like enter the new password here. Yeah, click on the update. See, once you click on the update, it will ask the current password. What is the current password right now? Okay, click on the update. The password has been updated. Okay, so this is the user registration. So in the user registration we have a multiple options. Okay, now we'll go to admin. So we have to open two tabs. One is the normal Firefox tab, another one is private window of Firefox. Okay, in the private window we are able to log in, and we are a normal Firefox we have a admin user logged in. Okay, now we are able to configuring here. So now we will do one thing, we will enable the security questions. Okay, so now here you can see that user is registered or not. So what is the username we have given? Demo1234. You can see, go to the second page, demo1234. See here we have given. Okay, so now we'll do one thing. Go to the service and user self service. Click on the user self service and go to user registration. Here you can enable the security questions. Now click on the save changes. Now let's see what will happen in the registration. Okay, I'm refreshing this registration page. click on the create an account. Okay, now I'm giving the one more username 12345. So previously 1234 we have given, now 12345 demo 12345. Okay, demo 12345 at the rate example.com. Password, yes, yeah. So click on the save. So what will happen next? See, so once you click on the save, it is asking select one or more security questions below. These questions will help us verify your identity if you forgot your password. Okay, so you can select any question. So I'm selecting what is your pet name. Okay, I'm giving like another right now. So if you want to add one more question, you can add one more question. Okay, if you select this multiple questions are correct, here you can see in the registration, if you select the one, that's you have given the one correct here, so that's why it is displaying only one question. If you give here two, then it will display the two questions. Okay, now cancel it this one again, we will go to the registration page. Okay, now now what we are expecting, the security questions will be displayed two. Okay, now give the demo 12345. Demo 12345 example.com. Password, yeah, click on save. See here, so we are able to see two questions because of here we have given the option 2. Okay, now select the any question like what is your pet name, Narayana, what is your first car, okay, DJ. Okay, okay, but if you want to add some more questions you can add it here. Okay, so like this you can select and you can add it. If you want you can delete it. Okay, so now we have given the two answers for the two questions, but when we are verifying that your password, your identity, then we have to give the one answer enough. Okay, so now clicking on the save button. So the user is registered successfully. Return to login page. Now you can see demo 12345 and admin 1234 is the password. Yeah, now here you can see basic info password. In the first time we didn't see security questions because of security questions not enabled. Right now we have enabled the security questions, so you can update the security questions also here. So these are these two questions already we have given answers. Okay, here if you want to add one more question you can add it, or if you want to edit this question you can edit here itself. Okay, so yeah, so you can click on the logout here. Yeah, this is a security questions enabling. Okay, now now we'll see here destination after successful user registration. So now I am going to giving send to login page, or user is I am selecting user is automatically logged in. So what will happen here? Okay, now we are going to doing one more user registration. Click on the create an account. Demo 123456. Sorry, I'm giving test 1212 test 12 test 12 at the rate example.com admin 1234 and admin 1234. Yeah, so we have enabled the user is automatically logged in. So once user is successfully registered, then user is able to log in into the user profile details directly without re-entering the username and password. Let's see now. Click on the save button. Now select the questions and answer ABC. Answer any question ABC. Okay, now click on the save. So once you click on the save, generally previously it is showing the successful page. Now it will directly right now the user will be logged in into the user profiles. Oh, okay, user successfully registered. Okay, we have saved this one or not? Now let's try one more time with this user registration. Okay, we can refresh the screen, might be. Yeah, one more time I'm going to registering user. Okay, create an account, test 3, test 123 test 123 at the rate example.com. Yeah, click on save, click on question ABC. Okay, click on save. See, now user directly logged in into the user profile screen. Okay, previously I think we didn't click on the save changes. Okay, that's why it's directly showing us successful page. Now user directly logged in into the whole user profile page. So here you can user can update the required details. Okay, now click on the logout. So yeah, we have seen the same way user sent to the login page. So if you select this one, what will happen? Once user is registration successful, then directly it will redirect to the login page. Okay, so we have seen that three types of destinations. Okay, now we'll see email verification. We will enable this option. So if you enable this option, okay, I'm clicking on the save changes. If you enable this option, so we need to add one more service to send the email. So what is that service? Go to the service again, add service, email service. There is a email service. Okay, click on save changes. So now we have to give the host email server host name, email server port, and username, password. So these are the required the information of SMTP server. So here we have an SMTP server, fake SMTP server, we can say, for the development or for testing purpose. There is a mailtrap.io. So I have explained already mailtrap.io in other videos also. You can use that. So if you don't have account, you can create account here by using Gmail account. Okay. So right now I'm going to log in. Yeah, so here already I have one inbox. Okay, so SMTP settings here, you can see show credentials. Okay, now take this your host name, enter here, and port is 465. You can use the same port. This is my username, and this is the password. This will be randomly, the username and password will be generated according to the user. And then mail server secure connection, it is a non-SSL. Okay, and what is the prom address? So prom address you can give registration at the rate example.com. So email attribute name. So this is the user profile email attributes. Email subject registration. But these are two things are not required here because we are using the email subject and email body from the user registration page. So click on the save changes. Okay, now go to the services. So now we have added email service. So here in the user self-service, we have enabled the email verification. Now let's try to configure register the one more user here. Okay, what will happen here? Let's see. Create an account. Test 1 2 3 4 5. Test 1 2 3 4 5. Test 1 2 3 4 5 at the rate example.com. Password is okay. Once I save here, what will happen? Let's see. So right now it is sending an email has been sent to the address you entered. Click the link in that email to proceed. Okay, now let's see here. Go to the mail trap. In the mail trap, here you can see we have a registration email. Emails we have given the email subject, and this is the prom address, and this is the R2 address. This is our link. Okay, copy this link. Okay, copy link location. So you can directly click on this, but if you click on this, it will directly open here. Already I have logged in admin user now, so I'm going copying that link and going to my private window here. Okay, I'm entering here. See, this is a very big URL. So realm and register and token. This is the token for your account. It's a very big token. Okay. Now click on the enter. So I have pasted URL and I'm clicking on enter button. See the continue. This is the continue register. It means that your email validated successfully. Now we have to continue the your registration. Okay, in this so first step we have given the user profile details only. Now in the second step we have to give the security questions. Okay, security questions we are giving here. Okay, now click on the save. See, your account has been successfully registered. So this is the option like email validation, email verification. So, okay, this is the email verification. Okay, now we disable this one or disable this one and enable verify email before user details. Okay, now what will happen? Let's see. Okay, so in this scenario, first enter the email address, then ForgeRock will send the verification link to your email address. Then user click on that link and then only you have to enter the user details. Okay, let's see. So click on the create an account. Okay, it's still asking. Let me save again here. Okay. Okay, let's see again private window. Okay, let's enable email verification. Yeah, so you need to enable both the email verification and verify email before user details. Okay, so now it is asking just only email address. Now I'm going to giving abcd@example.com. This is my email ID. Okay, so I will receive that email into my mail trap. Okay, this is the fake SMTP server. Okay, so click on the submit. See, now it is sending email to this email address. Okay, go to our mail trap. Here you can see registration email. We have received the link. So copy this link. Okay, now I can come to here, paste it here, enter. See, now it's continuing that. Now it is asking the user details. Now enter the user details. Okay, one ABCD. Okay, ABCD. You can give anything. Okay, not a problem. ABCD@example.com. Whatever you have given earlier. Okay, admin 1234. Admin 1234. Okay, click on save. So now asking security questions. Click on save. So now user is registered. Your account has been successfully registered. Okay. So we have seen multiple options here. So we have seen email verification and we have seen a verify email before user details and security questions, and we have seen that email subject also, correct? Registration email. So this is a click on this link. You can see here. Click on this link. This is the email body. So you can customize if you according to your requirement also here. But we have to paste it HTML code here with locale. So locale separated by pipe, and these are the attributes, and this is the your destination page after user successful registration. Yeah, this is the user self-service. In the user self-service, there is a user registration. So in the next video, I will show you how to configure and how to enable these options, forgot password and forgot username. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see in the next video. We will discuss forgot username and forgot password. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel so you will update the latest updates and all. Thank you.